This presentation speaks to books written by Tom Dontigny. They're available either hard copy if you go to the given link, or online if you go to the given link. The first book is Introduction to Building Mechanical Systems. It explains the varied systems in a building that allow it to function, both mechanical, electrical, and many others. Today's buildings could not function without automatic controls, which control the different mechanical systems. Mechanical systems can be air systems, cooling water systems, chilled water systems, and any other system that you can think of. In some buildings, there are laboratories, and laboratory air systems are somewhat more difficult to understand and maintain. You have to understand that a laboratory must always be under a negative pressure to outside of the laboratory. That means air comes from the outside into the laboratory, but never from the laboratory to the outside because of infections and other things. The second book offered for sale is totally different. It is What is Killing You and What You Can Do About It. It speaks to the many subjects that affect us as we age. Things such as blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, arthritis. Most of us have arthritis in all or some of our joints. I know myself, I loved to play guitar, but I had to give it up because I got arthritis in the fingers on my left hand. I think it's God's way of saying, you've had enough fun, now go sit down. Well, I'm now sitting down and reading information like this out. Anyway, it is a humorous book, and I hope it deals with this touchy subject in a humorous way. Thank you so very much for listening to this. And now I'll bid you adieu. Bye now.